In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Cash App if you have been scammed. Now, I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys, this process can be a little bit difficult, but in this video, I'm going to be giving you my best tips and options that you guys can go ahead and do. So number one is to actually request a refund from the scammer. So in order to do this, all you want to do is you want to open up the Cash App application, then you want to go to the activity tab. Then you want to select on the transaction, and then you will get the option to actually request a refund. And you want to add a reason and wait to see if the scammer returns the money. Now this here is very unlikely, but it's worth trying. That's like the first thing you should probably try and doing, but chances are it is not going to be that easy. So what I personally recommend that you guys do is actually get the Cash App support team involved. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile icon just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that does say support. So we need to go ahead and press on that like so. And then from here, we can go ahead and search for our issue. So for example, our issues with scams. So we would go ahead and take a look at scams over here. And it is basically going to tell you all the information that you need to know about scams, how to avoid them and stuff like that. But what you want to do in particular is you want to go ahead and underneath contact us, you want to press on chat. And this is going to allow you to start talking to Cash App customer support. And basically, you want to explain to them your entire situation, provide as much details as possible, make sure to include the transaction ID, and explain to them the situation in detail. Also, keep in mind that whenever you are talking to Cash App support, you want to be as professional as possible. Do not start being mad or saying any curse words or anything like that. You want to make sure that the message is professional. Alternatively, you guys could also contact Cash App support via Twitter. So let me show you guys how to do that. So for example, we can just go ahead and open up Twitter. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and make a post, and you basically want to explain your situation in this one tweet. And you want to go ahead and make sure you do at Cash support. So let's just go ahead and type in Cash support just like so, and you want to go ahead and make sure you do select on the right account. So this is the right account right over here, and we basically need to go ahead and explain to them our situation. And this is the account right over here, Cash App customer support. So basically you want to go ahead and explain to them the situation, and they should be able to go ahead and help you out. And another thing that you guys could do is actually dispute through your bank account. We can go ahead and dispute through your bank if you have linked a debit or credit card to Cash App. So if you paid using a linked credit or debit card, you may be able to dispute the charge with your bank. So I recommend that you guys call your bank and explain the transaction was fraudulent. Banks often have stronger fraud protections than Cash App alone, so I actually recommend that you go ahead and do this. I wish you guys the best, guys, and I hope that this video was able to provide some support and some options that you guys can go ahead and do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.